Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix low performance issues on your Windows and on how you can speed up the performance of your Windows operating system. So for that, let's go quick into the process. First is you need to press the Windows key and letter R button together to open the Ryan window. Type here TEMP. It's TEMP, click on OK. And then you have to click on one folder and press Ctrl plus A on keyboard and hit the delete bin at the top. Check this box, do this for all current items, click on skip. Not all of this will be deleted and that is totally fine. Press the Windows key and letter R button together again, and this time you need to type percentage %temp. So we are doing this to delete temporary files on our Windows. Click on OK. Press on one file and press Ctrl plus A on keyboard. Hit the delete bin at the top and then check this box, do this for all current items and click on skip. Close this window. Press the Windows key and letter R button together and type prefetch because sometimes or most of the time the temporary files on our Windows, there are a lot of temporary files. This can slow down the performance of our Windows. Hit enter and then you have to delete everything from here. Now once done, go to the Windows search bar, type sysdm.cpl. sysdm.cpl, click on that under the best match. Now here in the System Properties window, you need to click on the Advanced tab. You'll find Performance, click on the Settings. You'll find the Performance Options window. Click on Adjust for best performance. Check this box, show thumbnails instead of icons, and smooth edges of screen fonts. Click on Apply, click on OK, and click on OK again. Then we also need to perform a disk cleanup. So go ahead in the Windows search bar, type disk cleanup. Click on disk cleanup under the best match. Click on OK for the Windows C drive. Now here you have to check these boxes one by one and click on clean up system files. Click on OK and wait for the process to be done. Then click on or you can close this window once done. Then make a right click at the start button. You have to select Task Manager. We also need to disable the unnecessary startup programs that should not come along with the Windows during the startup. Click on Startup Apps on the left pane. Change the status from enabled to disabled. So what you can do is you need to disable the unnecessary startup programs, especially like Discord, Xbox. Make a right click, then you have to select Disable. Once done, close out of here. And then go ahead in the Windows search bar, type choose a power plan. Click on that under the best match. So if you have the high performance, then you just need to simply choose that. Now, if you don't have the high performance, then you can search on how you can enable the high performance on your Windows. Once done, close out of here. And finally, after applying all the steps, make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. And after that, your Windows will be faster this time. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.